So I've been following this reality show Lockup, and recently Shilpa Shinde has entered the house as a wildcard contestant. For people who don't know, Shilpa Shinde is an actress who actually had filed a sexual harassment case, and years later, 10 years later, now she has publicly accepted that that case was a false case. Yes. So the reported entry of Shilpa Shinde as a wildcard contestant has left me with actually one amazing question: that what exactly are we rewarding here? Because sexual harassment is a very very extremely serious issue. The law exists to protect victims and encourage them to actually come forward without fear and tell their own story, which is why any public statement suggesting that such a complaint was false, or there was misuse of law, they deserve serious punishments, they deserve serious public discussion. And if legal processes are knowingly misused, it doesn't just affect the person who was accused, but it can also affect a lot of genuine survivors who face even more problems when they actually want to seek justice. But instead of having conversations about accountability, what are we seeing is that we often see that controversy being turned into entertainment, because nowadays everything is TRP and everything is about views, because the bigger the controversy, the bigger the platform you get. Reality shows, they thrive on TRP, but should actually ratings come at the cost of sending the wrong message? Giving such person a platform to come back. I really feel, as a lawyer, I feel that this is really wrong, because we are giving a very wrong message, that we are normalizing the idea that any controversy can be turned into a comeback story. And as viewers, we should expect more from the entertainment industry, because fame should never outweigh accountability, especially when the controversy involves something very very serious, like sexual harassment, like false sexual harassment case. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section.